This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the ransomware called Tnwkgbvl. This is the ransomware that is able to damage the files. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any complications. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called Tnwkgbvl may be easily injected into the system. And very soon users see the negative results of the ransomware attack. Right now we are still able to open our files, but very soon it may happen that the files are no longer accessible because of this horrible ransomware titled like that, Tnwkgbvl. This ransomware encrypts files, damages them, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and this is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with this extension called Tnwkgbvl. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery. Don't pay that ransom, don't waste the money. I recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download Combo Cleaner, by the way, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser. The point is that your common browsers like Chrome, Firefox may also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Through this official website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. My internet connection is pretty slow because of this ransomware and its impact. Anyway, combocleaner.com, this is the site you need to go to, the official site of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files that were encrypted by the ransomware. It has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature allows you to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. But as I said, Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. To remove this ransomware, to remove all its malicious components, premium license of Combo Cleaner is required. You may always upgrade to premium, and you can always request for the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.